What's up, beautiful people? I am back, okay? I got some items that sold on eBay, y'all. This is a New York and Company dress. It was my dress. I didn't want to wear it anymore. I really didn't like the way it looked on me. I don't like the baby doll look. So this is new without tag, size medium. This dress sold for $10.89. I have to write stuff down, y'all, because I can't remember. $10.89, buyers paying shipping of $5.93. So this is going out, Ground Advantage. And pick these up from the bins. So these are new with tags. I always pick up new with tag items from the bins. And these are a size 6 ruby. And you can see these are just some pull-on pants. New with tags. They stretch in the waist. Imitation pockets. They sold for $7. Buyers paying shipping of $5.52. So these are going out today. All right, so I got these first pair of pants. It's the Marissa Fit and Taylor Loft Petites. They are a size 6 petite. And I got these from the bins. They are new with tags. Now, I wrote everything down because I can't remember all of those sales. So I got them for, they sold for $9.14. And the buyer's paying shipping of $5.93. It's going out Ground Advantage. So these are going out new with tags. I always try to pick up new with tag items at the Goodwill bins. You know, it pretty much sells new with tags. I don't just get anything, but I know Taylor Loft, it sells for me. I know a lot of resellers, they don't like to pick up those brands like that, but me, I do. They sell for me. The next item is a fashion to figure. It's a dress. They have vanity sizes in this brand. I got it from Whatnot because I was trying to support somebody, and I think I got it for like $2 or $3. But I just wanted to support them. So this dress it sold for $9, and the buyer's paying shipping of $5.93. It's going out Ground Advantage as well. It doesn't really weigh that much. These are a pair of Express jeans. Got these from the Goodwill bins. At first, I thought they were women jeans because I tried them on. I was like, oh, these look fun on me. But they Express, these are men's jeans. And I had to look them up and do a little bit of research. And it's the Athletic Slim, 33 by 30. And it's by Express. It's the men's. You know, Express sell men's and women. This is the back of them. They're kind of cute. I was fixing to, you know, wear these for work. But they looked a mess on me. So I put them on eBay. And they sold for $13. The buyer's paying shipping of $9.12. And they're going out Ground Advantage too. These don't even weigh over a pound. They're lightweight. This pre-owned cardigan is sold. I think I got this from my cousin, so this was no cost of goods, so free inventory. So this is by Running Nicole. It's a size large, pre-owned, in great condition. Just a purple cardigan, lavender color. And it sold for $6.25, and the buyer is paying shipping of $5.15. I think the buyer sent me an offer, and I'm like, I don't want to keep a whole lot of stuff in my house. I need to get rid of this stuff. So I took the offer. Hey, let it go. It's pre-owned anyway. So that is going out. Then these Old Navy Pixie pants. So they are pre-owned, but they look like they are new without tags. Old Navy Pixie. I've had these to sell in the past. Let me put that back. And they sell for me. You know, a lot of resellers, again, don't like to pick up these brands when they're at the bins. But hey, they work for me. I've been selling on eBay for about 10 years now. So I know what works for me. But these, they sold for $12 pre-owned. And the buyer is paying shipping of $5.93. So these are going out. That's why you really can't listen to people who tell you what to buy and what don't sell, because it's selling for me, and it's been selling like that for me for about 10 years now. So I'm happy about it. The last item is a bra by Victoria's Secrets. Y'all know what Victoria's Secrets look like down on it. It's the Victoria's Secrets Dream Angels. This is a size 34D. And it's a little bitty bra. A little bitty bra. I definitely can't wear this, but not but it is pre-owned. It's real cute. It's kind of sexy, ain't it? But this bra is sold for $9.12. It only weighs like 2 or 3 ounces, so the buyer's paying shipping of $3.96. So shipping came up for this bra of $3.96. I think the buyer paid shipping of $5 and something. So I made a little bit on the shipping. So these are the items that's going out for me. So I just got through doing hump day hangout, y'all, and got through with the show, and this item has sold. Now I picked this up from Walgreens from the clearance aisle. I think it was like $2 or something. So I know my daughter, she loves Roblox, especially when she was real younger. That's all she loved to play was Roblox. I know other kids like Roblox too, but this has been sitting in my store about 3 years. So I'm so glad to see it go. So it sold for $15.13, and the buyer's paying shipping of $4.53. Now I'm gonna put it in this box. I keep most of my Amazon boxes, so it's going in here, and it's very lightweight too. So that just goes to show you, you know, sometimes you buy something and it may just sit in your store for a while, but it eventually sells. So I'm glad it's going out. And that's it, y'all. I am glad to be back on YouTube. I had to take a break because my hands have been in everything. And I have a whole lot of energy, like I have a whole lot of hustle in me, but sometimes you have to take a break just to see where to direct that energy, because you don't want to be doing a whole lot of stuff and not getting any results. So sometimes you just have to see what area is serving you the best and focus more of your energy there. Now for me, y'all know I do Whatnot, and it's a live selling platform, which I will talk about in more videos. But Whatnot is, you know, you have to have a following on Whatnot, and I just don't have a following like that. It's something you have to keep working with over time. So I was going on Whatnot like at 5:30 a.m. in the morning. Now, scratch that. I was going on Whatnot like at 5 a.m., 4:30 a.m. in the morning. Sometimes I get home on Fridays and go on Whatnot like at 9 o'clock p.m. And that's just taking out a whole lot of energy from me. And if you're not established on Whatnot, people expect you to sell your inventory for like $2 and $3. And I have a whole lot of inventory, and it's some stale inventory. So I have been putting the stale inventory on there. And people want the items all the time for $2 and $3. Most of the times, for me, it feels like I'm talking to myself because I don't get a whole lot of people in my life. So I'm like, of course, I get support from the reseller community, and I appreciate you all so much, all of my friends and family that support me on Whatnot and on my live streaming and just my eBay business, period. I appreciate y'all so much, because y'all just don't know how much it means to you to have somebody in your life when it's not really motivating when you see 3 people in your life and you just got to sit there and talk. But I'm going to keep at it because I can always use Whatnot to put stale inventory on, and just, you know, going on there maybe twice a month as opposed to once a week, because that's just too much for me, because y'all know I work a full-time job, a musician at the church, have an antique booth. Like I told y'all, I have a whole lot of things that I do, and when I do something, I just go all in at it. So I just gotta stop that and just focus my energy on things that's serving me. And To be honest, that platform that's serving me right now is eBay. eBay is Bay. eBay is the platform of all platforms for me. I get some sales. Like, I've been getting so many sales. And the reason why I've been getting so many sales is because, shout out to my boy, Fundamentals of Side Hustling. Well, he don't go by side hustling anymore. It's just fundamentals. And his name is Derek. He's my co-host on Hump Day Hangout. He checked out my store, made some corrections in it. And I'll talk about that in a later video. But Derek is the truth, and I got to give him his props. He set up my business policies, my shipping, showed me what I needed to do. One particular thing that Derek pointed out is that, which I wasn't doing, is I needed to do more promoted listings because I wasn't doing that. And you know, you got to pay to play, and you promote your listing so more eyes can be on your items. When I list my item on eBay, it moves it up to the top so it can be seen first. So I'm grateful. Some weekends I have between 11 to 15 items to ship out, as opposed to 4 or 5 or 2 like I did in the past. So what Derek did for me worked, so I'm happy about it. I'll be trying to come on YouTube more. I may be doing some lives. Just gonna try to revamp my channel, and I'm just glad to be back and to share my journey. I hope that it's helping somebody. I hope if you enjoy reselling and thrifting and fashion and repurposing clothing and sustainability, follow, like, and subscribe. And thank y'all so much for being here. If you made it to the end, I appreciate you so much. I hope you have a blessed day. And as always, shine bright.